Hello guys, welcome to Johnson Home Decor. My name is Dexter. Some people call me Mr. Johnson. Well, today's video I'm going to try to power wash this side of the building. As you can see how dirty it is. Every year is the same thing. This side of the house is always like this, no matter what I do. I figure it's because the two houses is close by. So this is like in the shade side, so it tentatively seems to get this green mark on it. So today's video I'm gonna concentrate trying to power wash this and get this to where it need to be. So listen guys, today's weather is about, I guess, like 65. It might reach about 70. I like it like this because when it's too hot, you know what I mean, I like it like this. For me it's better. So you guys, if you guys want to tackle a job of this at your house, I mean, please don't be afraid to tackle something like this. And I'm going to show you guys what I'm using. Okay, I'm using a 2600 psi. I normally have a big power wash, but the big one's kind of not working right now, so I'm going to use the small one. And this is the product I'm using here. Got this from Home Depot. You spray this on the siding, and you just let it sit for a couple minutes, and then you power wash it. And what this do is breaks up all the muck and all the stuff off of the house. So guys, if you guys want to tackle something like this, please don't be scared. Don't be frightened about it. You can go to Home Depot. You can rent something like this. I believe renting one like this might cost you maybe, I want to say maybe close to $100. Don't quote me that, I could be wrong. And you can tackle something like this yourself. You just start off small. I don't know, maybe you don't have to go so far up like me with a ladder, or maybe you can just go halfway or something, or have someone help you with that. But just sit back and relax and watch me power wash the rest of this place.
Hi Johnson family. In this part of the video, Dexter is spraying the solution on that he got from Home Depot. The solution that he's spraying is going to loosen up all of the dirt and the debris on the wall, so that will be easier to power wash. Okay guys, so let me tell you, power washing the house, it's a yearly stuff that we do, because for some period reason, this side of the house is always get really dirty. To tell you the truth, guys, I didn't know that it was this filthy, because when you're driving coming in from the street and you look up, it don't look that dirty. But boy, oh boy, it was so filthy. I think this is the worst that it ever got since when we're doing the power wash. I'm not sure why it's this dirty, because we always power wash every year. Anywho, yes, he is just spraying everything off, and once we get all this done, then he's gonna move around to the front of the house.
Okay, guys, I just got done doing this side, and I'm gonna get ready to do the other side. You know my deal, 2 for 1. Like you start out doing one thing, and then you end up doing something else. I call it the 2 for 1. So let me show you guys a close up. That's what it looks like right now. Alright, so this is the finished product right here. As you can see all the way up there. I went all the way up there. What a long ladder. I suggest if you're gonna do it, get a professional to do it to go that high. But if you're just going like above that window, you can put your ladder and stretch and reach. But if you're going this high like I do, I prefer you get a professional. So I mean, this is what I do sometimes. So I'm used to doing this. So just want to give you guys an update, and also kind of hit my I kind of hit my neighbor fence. This is my fence here. Got my neighbor fence, and get the foundation all here. And I'm getting ready to do the front. Oh, I'm gonna hit the fall part. I'm getting ready to do for one. I'm getting ready to do the front. So, like I said, the 2 for 1 special. That's my motto. Okay, you guys, don't mind the noise in the background. Because my neighbor is cutting his grass. But if I explain this to you guys with a power wash. If you look carefully here, these are the setting for the tip of the gun. So you have start off from 0, 15, 25, 40, and then they mark one so it says soap. Okay, what all this means is this goes on the tip of the nozzle, and you get different setting to spray how you want it. Just in case you guys doesn't know anything about power wash. You know, I know you like a lot of guys knows it, know what you're doing, but just in case it's, someone out there don't know how to use it. These are different settings. And once you put it in and you squeeze the nozzle, it's gonna let you know what kind of spray function you're looking for. But it's kind of shaped right here. See that one right there? That's wide. That's not so wide. You see what I'm saying? And it goes down to just one single stream. And then the bottom one here is soap. That's the big one here. There's a big black one here. It's soap. So this is like when you want to. Give me a second here. See this nozzle here? This hose here goes into the solution. Earlier in the video, I showed you the solution that I bought from Mondell. What that is, it sucks it up, and then you can spray the solution on the wall. What that does, it breaks up all of the muck, and then you go right behind it and just pressure wash it and get it out. But all right, so that's what I'm dealing with, and I just pressure wash all of this here, all the way up to here. So take a guess. Can you tell the difference? You can see this part here is lighter. I still need to pressure wash all this right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably hit that. That's why I said I'm gonna do the 2 for 1, and I'm gonna hit all of this today. Hopefully I get it in before it get dark. I'm gonna try to pressure wash all this. But all right. So wish me luck. Stay tuned. got the front here, power wash. So the next step is to, already got the little sidewalk here, the walkway. I got the driveway here to hit. And that will be probably tomorrow. I'm gonna hit that, but I still have, I got all the way up there to do. All right, so wish me luck.
Okay, Johnson family, we at the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to stay safe, be humble, and let the blessing of the Lord shower down upon you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.